In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge channels in Slack. Merging channels isn't something that Slack offers with a simple merge button, but don't worry, I'll guide you through the process so that you can effectively combine your Slack channels when needed. First, let's talk about understanding Slack's limitations. While Slack doesn't provide a direct feature to merge channels, the process involves moving content from one channel to another and ensuring your team is adequately informed. Begin by deciding which channel you want to keep active, deeming it your primary channel. The channels you decide not to keep will eventually be archived or deleted once their messages are transferred. This choice is crucial because it will dictate how you move forward with the rest of this process. Next, we'll focus on exporting messages from the secondary channel, the one you plan to merge. Head over to the channel settings of this secondary channel. Here you'll find the option to click More and then View Message History. Alternatively, you can use Slack's export tool designed to help you download conversations. When exporting, opt for the JSON format, though keep in mind this feature is available only for workspace owners or admins. It's worth noting that free Slack plans have some limitations on message exports, so accessing a paid plan can facilitate a full export. Now, we need to import these messages into your primary channel. For this step, you'll want to utilize a third-party tool such as Backup, Slack Exporter, or Import Slack. These tools are specifically developed to assist in importing and mapping old channel messages into your new primary channel. Follow the instructions provided by whichever tool you select, as they will walk you through mapping the old content to its new home. With the message transfer complete, it's time to notify your team. Go into the primary channel and post a pinned message to alert everyone of the change. A suggestion might be, we've combined our old channel into this channel. Please continue discussions here. It's a good move to encourage your team to update their bookmarks and notifications, ensuring they're kept in the loop with the reincorporated content. As the final step, proceed to archive the old channel. Navigate to the settings of the channel you no longer need and select Archive Channel. This step removes it from constant active use but keeps it around for future reference should you wish to look back at past discussions or shared resources. And there you have it, a streamlined way of merging your Slack channels. I hope this guide was helpful and now you feel fully equipped to tackle channel consolidation whenever necessary. Thanks for joining me, and until next time, happy slacking.